And in this video today, I'm going to share with you the hot stock pick that I've for myself. All right, I'm just trying to share and hope that this will help you. So in today's video, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, let's hold on. The chart that I'm seeing today and the watch list for today is Starbucks, Twitter, and also Autodesk. All right, let's have a look. Oh, hey guys, I'm Melvin Sinivalam, and today I'm going to share with you the hot stock picks. All right, for those that haven't came in yet just now, and I'm going to share with you the hot stock pick for today, which is Starbucks, Twitter, and Autodesk. All right, let me share my screen with you. Hold on. For what I'm seeing from the Starbucks charts, it has reached a resistance point and then looking forward to spike upwards. All right. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a nobody actually. All right. I'm just sharing my opinion, and this is for entertainment purposes only. All right. The risk is on your own. All right. Don't follow any of my advices. If you don't know what you are doing, all right, you can lose money in trading the stock markets. All right, just to get that clear. This is my first live, and I'm still trying hard to share my screen with all of you. All right, so please be patient with me. If you guys have any experience of doing live and sharing the screens, please let me know. All right. Right, I seems to can't get to share my screen with you, so I'm going to actually use my mobile. All right, can you see from here? This is the Autodesk, and as you can see, the price at this top level, at this price chart, right? So I'm looking to go in, and once the price move upwards, I've actually set an order. An order is alert for the system which I'm using is eToro. So the price, once the price break through 251.41, the price, the eToro will immediately let me buy into the Autodesk share. All right, and the reason I'm doing this is because I'm looking for the market to confirm my price, to have that momentum. All right, I don't want to get in right now at this price, which is at 248. All right, when I get in now, the price might not have momentum when the market's open. right? So what I do is I set an order right at 251.41. As you can see on the, let me put this bigger for you guys. As you can see here, on the first purple line, all right, I set an order there. Once the market price hit there, the price will go up, all right? And the bottom here, what I did is I set a stop loss. So the price went downwards, that price, eToro will get me out of this trade, all right? Let's take another look at the next trade that I've put out an order for, which is Twitter. All right, I believe that Twitter is getting bullish. Therefore, I set up an order for that as well. All right, I set up 3 orders. All right, to be exact, I've set out Twitter, Starbucks. Yeah, here it is. All right, as you can see for Twitter. All right, for Twitter, I've set a price alert, an order at the top of that, at the top of this candle. All right, and the risk is at this price. So what I want to do is I'm looking for the price to push higher, and then it gets me into the trade. All right. Again, I don't want to buy at the current price, which is at 35.72. All right, and I'm looking to buy at 36.08. Next one we'll be looking at is Starbucks. All right, we've gone through Autodesk, we've gone through Twitter. All right, here Starbucks. As you can see here, the price I've put in level here. All right, once the price goes upwards and then hit my order, eToro, all right, will automatically get me into the trade. All right, what I want to confirm before I get into trade is that there is a lot of people rushing into the stock that I've selected and help me to push it up. All right, I want to confirm that the bus is full of people. All right, and I'll get in. All right, I don't want to get into a bus that's empty, that doesn't have any volume at all. All right, volume is very, very important in stock markets. All right, and even in any investing instrument. All right, that's what we want. We want to get in the market, and we want the price action to fill us in. All right, rather than just having us alone, no momentum, and doesn't go anywhere, but just wasting time. All right, for Starbucks trade, you can take a look at the bottom there. This, at this bottom, I've set in stop loss as well. Risk management is very important, as I've shared with you guys. All right, so there's 3 trades in today's market picks, but I'm looking forward to Autodesk and Twitter, not so much on Starbucks, because as you can see, it touches the bottom line, the black line, a lot of time, and this actually weakens it. All right, if I get into the Starbucks trades, I will get out of the trade very quickly. All right, rather than just staying in. For Twitter and also Autodesk, I'm looking forward for it to bounce a little bit higher before I take profit on that. And I think the best trade for today is Autodesk. Why? Let me show you the reason behind it. In stock markets, there's a lot of resistance line, all right, that will stop us from, that will stop the price, the stock market price, from moving upwards a lot. So let me show you this. So what we do in when we analyze the stock market is we want to look to the left of the charts. All right, as you can see, looking left to the charts, there is no line, all right, that stop the price from moving upwards. All All right, a lot of people might be afraid that the price is too high to buy in, but the truth is, when there's no one stopping us, all right, the price will just go further and further and further. All right, if I'm not mistaken, this is Newton's second law. All right, if a if a ball is going straight forward and there's no force of stopping it, all right, it will keep on moving forward. All right, that's what we're looking to have in Autodesk. And Twitter, there is quite some resistance that's present in the stock market charts. All right, let me have a look. Right, you can see that the resistance line is very, very close. All right, but there's still a little bit of chance. All right, a little bit of space for us to go further before we hit that line. All right, so the number goes number one goes to Autodesk, number two goes to Twitter, and the third one is Starbucks. All right, I've entered order into these three trades today, and let's take a look. The market will be open in another 9 minutes, so let's have a look what it will happen. All right, let me know if you have any good trades that you've seen today in the markets. All right, let's take a look at other stock to see if any of that is good. All right, I'm looking at Apple right now. All right, AAPL. Apple is looking very strong as well, as you can see in the charts. All right, this is very strong as well. As you can see that the top there, let me minimize the chart for you. Until April, all right, there's no resistance, all right, to the left of the chart. So it's quite good, all right. Other than that, let's take a look on. All right, my watch list is actually having some of the charts here. Let's take a look on Netflix. All right, all these symbols or companies that I'm mentioning is available to trade on eToro. All right. Netflix is looking strong as well. All right, let me show you the similarity of the stock parents. It's very high. There's no resistance to the left. All right. Let's take a look at Facebook. And for the past few days, you can see that the stock market is keep going up. So first, we want to know what the stock market is. All right, we want to know the trend of the stock market. All right, for now, the trend of the stock market is upwards, so we don't want to short any of the stocks. All right, in fact, a lot of short sellers during these few months have been short squeezed. All right, meaning that they have been squeezed out of their trades. All right, and when the stock market price is going up, and this let them close their trades and let them join in the long trade as well, which help us to move the markets. Let's take a look at Facebook. All right, it might need some time to push up, but when it push up, after that, the momentum will be very, very strong. All right, 6 more minutes to the market. Let's take a look at some of other trades. Zynga. Zynga is very interesting. All right, what it did is I traded a few days before. I actually traded 2 times for this month, and quite good trade. All right, momentum is quite strong for that. Yeah, let me show you. In fact, All right, so you can see I've entered at this black line and I've exited at this purple line. If you watch my YouTube video yesterday, you will see that I explained in detail, all right, when I enter, why I enter it, and why I exited the trade, all right. And as you can see, the price actually have a resistance at this top, and once it bounced off that, all right, I entered, and then I take profit at the top of the candle. So this is what I've been mentioning to you today, all right, about Twitter, about Autodesk and Starbucks, that the resistance line is off, all right. So when it goes off, when it breaks the new high, all right, it actually can't stop, all right, unless the buyers in the stock, all right, take profit and run away, all right. That will cause the stock market price to collapse back down, and then waiting for another buyers to come in. What we call is the smart buyers, all right. After they confirm the momentum to the upside, all right, jumping back to the resistance, to the supporting line, and then went up higher, all right. So another 3 minutes to the market open. Let's take a look at some other companies, all right. All right, what I'm looking at is AMD, and AMD has been too high and it reached the resistance point that I've mentioned